So now that I'm done with my brows, I'm now going to move in to my eyeshadows. But before I apply this on my eyeshadows, I'm going to show you guys the trick that I do for my shadows to stay a little bit longer. So let me just come a little bit closer. Okay, so you can really see. So right now I'm going to go in with my BB cream stick again. So I'm going to use this stick as my shadow primer. So I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. So that, why am I using this on my eyelids? Is because I don't want my eyeshadow to crease and end up looking like Antinakuisa eyeshadow. By creasing, have you noticed sometimes can also kuti you wear your eyeshadows like in the morning, during the day, because you want to touch up your makeup, your eyeshadow anenga setla lines emaziso akho abaja depend because vamwe those crease lines on their eyelids. Some they do have, but if you have those, that means you need to apply a base for your eyeshadows to really sit on and last longer. So I'm going to, right now I'm just blending my BB cream with my blending brush. So right now I'm applying the loose powder and set the BB cream, the loose powder. Okay, so now that my eyes are ready for eyeshadow, so today I'm going to go in with this brown and dab it on my eyelid. So today I'm only going to apply this brown shade. It's going to apply a little bit like a smoky shadow. I love it. As you can see, you know, these eyeshadows, they are matte. That means they are not glitter, another shimmer, you know, and they really last long. What I've noticed, even with this, you might not even prime your eyelid. You can apply them. If you're a person who doesn't sweat a lot, you can actually apply them. So as you can see, I'm just dabbing on my lids. This is an eyeshadow application technique that any beginner can do, because it's with some colors 2020 pamaziso chinenge zvakuda wani more time which apply eyeshadows. So at the moment you can go zero to apply the base and to play around with that one color and to blend it really well. Then stage yekuso apply my shadows akawanda and creating more different looks will be easier for you. Now I'm going in with my blending brush. I'm going to blend my shadow. As you can see, I'm just focusing on the edge and it pandaisa eyeshadow yangu ikagubira ndopa ndiri kungoblenda. so that the eyeshadow at first that shape line right about eyeshadow is quite very. So now I'm just blending. But right now, if you compare this eye and this eye, near this, and you can see this one, near a harsh line, it writes that eyeshadow because I'm under blender. But now, if you look at this one, you cannot really see Pagomera line and it's over that harsh line because I blended out. That, oh, I'm loving how this makeup look is coming. I hope you can really see it. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, eye pencil, the best eye pencil that I love using is this Jet Color Fun eye pencil. It comes with a sharpener. So cool, guys. It applies super easy, like on your skin, without hurting your skin. And the color, let me see if I can swatch my hand. You can see that it's so dark and it's so soft, it's so easy to apply. So the trick on applying your eyeliner, you don't apply your eyeliner only under your waterline. Kana uchida that super intense dark feel, you apply your eyeliner on your waterline, and the waterline is and the waterline mukati. You don't apply your eyeliner kunze chete because it will look funny unless you want to add another color per waterline. So I'm going to go in and apply my eyeliner. So what I like about this eyeliner, it's so soft, you don't scratch, you know how sensitive this waterline is. So you need an eyeliner that is so soft that will not scratch your skin to a point whereby you end up at the same time you are applying your ink. So I'm going to apply this on my waterline like this. So you see, right now the eyeliner that I've applied, I've only applied it on my waterline. Now it's up to me if I want to take it outwardly, like under my waterline. I like to do this. Focusing only on the corners. So the trick is the same that you also do Pamsoro. So Pamsoro you also apply on your upper waterline, but to apply this area is a bit tricky. So in what I would do, or what I would advise you to do, a beginner or pachikuneza, just put your eyeliner right here and then close your eyes and remove the eyeliner. As you guys, it's actually ticklish. So applying an eyeliner, it's optional. It's something that you can choose to do. You can choose to apply Pamsoro Chete, you can choose to apply Pasasi, or you can just choose to go with this smooth look. But since I played with my browns on my eyes, it's a smoky kind of thing, so I need to really intensify my color and to make my eyes pop. Shadow and blend. You see? So now that I blended my eyeliner, it lasts longer, guys, believe you me, the whole day, because I have applied my eyeliner, and now and I blend nail powder near the eyeshadow, and I circumsole to create a certain feel and the look that I want. So what I did on this eye, I'm also going to do on this eye off camera.